guys, welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I am going to show you an anti-aging mask for your face which works instantly. This is a very effective face pack and the ingredients are simple. So let's start preparing. So my first ingredient is 2 tablespoons of rice powder. My second ingredient is 3 tablespoons of milk. So at first I have already blended the rice in a blender and I have already made a fine powder of rice. So into this I am going to add milk slowly to get a thick paste. Friends, see, this is the consistency you will get after mixing the rice powder and the milk. Apply this mask generously on your clean face. After that, leave it on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, when the mask has dried up, rub it gently in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, wash it off with warm water. This pack acts as an exfoliator and it will remove all your dead cells. It is suitable for any skin type. Milk will give you back the moisture in your skin. On the other hand, rice powder will act as an exfoliator. Use this pack for once a week. After that, pat dry your skin. This is a very effective anti-aging mask, so do try this at home. Thanks friend for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. And do not forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.